Okay, so this is the camera right here. I should take it out. And you also get the, I believe this is the instruction or how to set it up and mount it. Also includes the power supply, the cable, the mounting bracket, and a guide, and screws and rivets to mount it against the wall. And that's it. Okay, so you have infrared, right? You also have the speaker port. It's both ways. You can listen and you can also speak to someone at the same time. Well, not at the same time. Pretty much you know, when you speak, you wait for them to, you hear back from them. It also has the mic. It has 2 mic ports on each end. You also has the micro USB port and a Ethernet jack. And that's pretty much it.